Greetings, Sci-losophers. Welcome back to another mind-expanding episode of Sci-losophy, where we unravel the mysteries of science and philosophy. Today, we're delving deep into the intriguing realm of astrophysics, exploring the enigmatic three-body problem. But before we do, remember to subscribe for more mind-bending videos. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the three-body problem? Well, let's break it down. In physics, the three-body problem refers to the challenge of predicting the motion of three celestial bodies that are interacting with each other through gravitational forces. Sounds complex, right? Imagine three celestial bodies suspended in the vast cosmic expanse, a trio of stars, planets, or any massive objects gravitating toward one another. Each of these entities possesses its own gravitational force, a force that extends infinitely into space, connecting them in a gravitational dance. It's in this intricate celestial ballet that the three-body problem unveils its captivating complexity. The gravitational pull between these bodies is like an invisible thread, weaving a tapestry of cosmic forces. As they draw nearer or drift apart, their gravitational influence intensifies or diminishes, creating a dynamic interplay that defies simplistic prediction. The challenge lies in anticipating how these forces will shape their orbital paths over time, a task that has perplexed scientists for centuries. Think back to the days when early astronomers gazed at the stars, armed only with their curiosity and rudimentary tools. Little did they know that the seemingly serene dance of celestial bodies above held secrets that would confound even the brightest minds in the centuries to come. Now, as we stand on the shoulders of those who came before us, armed with advanced technologies and cutting-edge theories, the enigma of the three-body problem persists. It's not just about predicting the positions of these celestial bodies at any given moment. It's about deciphering the intricate gravitational symphony that dictates their every move. Imagine trying to choreograph a dance where three partners are in constant motion, each influencing the other's steps. The challenge is amplified by the fact that, unlike a dance on Earth, there's no fixed stage or set routine in the vastness of space. It's a cosmic ballet where the dancers are both choreographers and participants, and the dance floor is ever-changing. In the pursuit of unraveling this cosmic choreography, scientists have turned to powerful simulations and computational models. These tools allow them to peer into the unpredictable nature of gravitational interactions, revealing the complexities hidden within the apparent chaos of the three-body problem. The challenge is not just about solving equations, it's about embracing the chaos and finding order within it. Scientists have uncovered fascinating phenomena, such as resonances and stability islands, that add layers of richness to our understanding of celestial dynamics. Now let's delve into why the three-body problem has earned its reputation as a mathematical enigma that has challenged the greatest minds in science throughout the ages. While predicting the motion of two bodies interacting gravitationally is a task that can be elegantly expressed through mathematical equations, the introduction of a third body transforms the serene landscape into a chaotic symphony. In the realm of celestial mechanics, simplicity turns to complexity with the addition of that third celestial body. The elegance that defines the two-body problem, where the motion of two objects follows predictable paths, gives way to the intricate dance of chaos when a third player enters the cosmic stage. Picture the luminaries of science, from Johannes Kepler to Isaac Newton, grappling with parchment and quill, attempting to capture the celestial choreography with mathematical precision. The equations that govern the gravitational dance of three bodies become intertwined in a web of complexity that defies straightforward solutions. Why does the addition of a third body introduce chaos? It's not merely a matter of increasing the number of variables in the equations. No, the true challenge lies in the inherent instability that arises. As the three bodies interact, each exerts gravitational forces on the others, creating a dynamic feedback loop that amplifies the complexity exponentially. Imagine attempting to predict the future positions of these celestial bodies, each tugging at the others in an intricate cosmic ballet. The gravitational forces create a delicate interplay, and any small deviation in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes over time, a phenomenon famously termed sensitive dependence on initial conditions. Throughout history, scientists have sought solutions to the three-body problem. The gravitational interactions between Earth, the Moon, and the Sun, for example, presented early astronomers with challenges that paved the way for groundbreaking discoveries. Yet, the complete solution to the general three-body problem remained elusive. As we fast forward to the present day, the three-body problem continues to be a focal point of research. But the advent of modern computational power has opened new doors. Scientists are leveraging numerical simulations and advanced algorithms to explore the chaotic nature of these gravitational interactions, revealing patterns within the apparent disorder. The mathematical complexity is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it challenges us, but on the other, it opens up avenues for understanding the richness of celestial dynamics. But fear not, our quest for understanding never ends. In recent years, advancements in chaos theory and computational power have shed new light on the three-body problem. Researchers are using innovative approaches to explore the intricacies of chaotic orbits and uncover the underlying patterns within the apparent randomness. Studying the three-body problem has led us to discover fascinating phenomena, such as gravitational resonances and stability islands within chaotic systems. It's a delicate dance of forces, and understanding this dance could have profound implications for our comprehension of the cosmos. As we wrap up our cosmic exploration into the three-body problem, it's clear that this scientific puzzle continues to captivate and challenge the brightest minds in astrophysics. The dance of three celestial bodies, governed by the elegant yet chaotic laws of gravity, reminds us of the boundless mysteries that our universe holds. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-bending content. Until next time, keep pondering the universe.